I'm going to mix all of my slimes because I made a lot of my slimes, but I never really showed you all my slimes that I have. So today I'm going to mix some slimes, and then I'm going to show you what the color turned out, if it's like not really good color. And then look, but I'm not going to dump all of my slimes in. I'm only dump like half of each slime, or maybe 1/4 or 1/8 of the slime that I have, because I don't want to waste. And it's going to be like kind of like, I'm going to put it in this bowl, so it has to fit all in this bowl. If it doesn't, then I have to take some out. So yeah, let's get started. So now I have all of my stuff. I'm going to get the first slime, and if I have to activate it a little bit, the activator. And I also got some like powder that you can put in if you don't use borax. But this is like a mix of water and borax, so it's not very deadly or something like that. No, it's good, and no, it doesn't really hurt you, but still, yeah. So this will be the first slime that I have, and I can see that it has kind of like, yeah, I think, yeah, it has a hole right kind of like there, but no, that's not what so now I'm here and I have my first slime. I'm going to take out, oh, this one is kind of like hard. Yeah, I really like this one. Yeah, it's not sticky very much. I'm going to take a little bit because I have a lot of slimes. This is what I'm going to take. I've got a lot more. So let's get to the next slime. Those that I already have, I'll put on the side. Now I have this one. This I put like this because I don't want to that it runs off. This is how it looks inside, and yeah, it's with foam beads. Yeah, cloud slime, and I'm going to take a little bit. It's kind of, I put a little bit too much maybe in, so yeah, too much beads, maybe not, yeah. So now let's get to the next slime. It's this slime, big slime. Ooh, this kind of liquid. Oh, but it's turning to slime if you rub it a little bit. It's kind of, I like this slime. Yeah, this is one of my biggest slime that I have. So I'm going to take a piece. There. It's not clicky, but I still like it. There. And my next slime is a little slime. Like this, and this one is not very stretchy, but it doesn't get holes. It does get holes, but it's very, and it smells too. It smells very nice. Yeah, this slime I will have to put some in, but I didn't really want to put some in. There. And now I have this slime. Yeah. Oh, not yet. There. And I'm going to put put it on the table if I can. There, I will use the stick. It already feels kind of good, but it's sticky. It's very sticky. It's not very consensus, but yeah. I will activate it a little bit because it's not very. Yeah, now it's better. And a little bit of powder. You don't add a lot because if you add a lot, it's not going to be very good. There. Yeah, that's a good slime. See? There. Add that to my slime collection. Slime smoothie or whatever. My next slime is kind of like clear slime. This slime is also a bouncy slime, look. Oops, it rolled off. As you see, you can also make bouncy slime like this slime because it really bounces. And I'm going to put in, maybe if I put some in, it will get bouncy and maybe not. So yeah, let's see. Next slime, this one I haven't touched for a long time, so I don't know if it's kind of, it actually feels good. It's kind of like good consistency, but it's kind of also, no, it also gets holes. I'm going to put that in too, there. And if you know, I can't put a lot of in because I have a lot more. Yeah. Now, this is the kind of like Halloween slime. This is one of my favorite because it smells amazing. And yeah, it's white, like milk. So, this is how it kind of looks, and it's very stretchy. Wait, it's because I had a little piece there. It's kind of like breaking, but it's kind of sticky too, but if you make it a little bit more, then it will get too hard. So that's how, yeah, and I put that in too. So far it's looking kind of like this. It has a lot of colors. The next slime is this slime. It's got a little bit dry. So let's see. It's kind of a dry slime too. This is how it looks, and it has a lot of dry pieces right there, here. Yeah, I don't like those dry pieces. Add a little bit and put the rest back into the bag. Maybe I should one time do a video where I add those slimes that I don't really want to have anymore, and then look what it turns out. Yeah, this is my party slime. Yeah, you heard correct, party slime. And it's called party slime because I put some party confetti in, and you can kind of see the confettis that I put in with balloon stars. Yeah, and because of the stars, it kind of like peaks this a little bit. So let's put a little bit in there and get to the next slime. So far we only have one that is a little bit liquid. Ooh, this is kind of a dry one. I think this is a sand slime, and this got a little bit dry. Yeah, this is more dry than slime. I think it's because of the sand. There, the dry part, I'm going to take that out. This needs more activator. It's not very. Yeah, some powder. And this is sand. It really is sand. This is sand slime. I mix it with real sand. And this one I will have to put all in because I only have this trash left over. That's the dry stuff, and you don't want to use that. Now I will have a lot more slime, so maybe I'll cut the video because it will be a long video. Oh, this slime is the kind of like glittery slime. This is a good slime. Put a little bit in. More. I'm doing kind of quick, so you get to see all of my slimes, and not like 20 minutes or so, or maybe 30. That would be a long time. I wanted to make it fast and easy for you, so you get to see my slimes put out. Like, yeah. This is also very cool slime, and it's kind of also hard and rippy, but it's so slime. So yeah, put a little bit of it in and the rest back. So far we had 2 bad slimes, kind of like, no, maybe 5 or so, because they were very little, so they dried up. We have another one here. I think this is strawberry smell, and it's kind of like the milky one, this one, and yeah, it has also glitter thing. I don't think so you can see that, and it's blue. Yeah. So next one, and this is the bigger one. This is how it looks with a lot of different colors. And there. Oh, this is kind of like the ugly slime because it's green, ugly green, not the nice green and all bright. No, it's the ugly green. See, it's kind of like trash green. It's very ugly, but I will have to put some in, so yeah. It will ruin it because it already looks very nice, and now that dirty color there will ruin it all. So now I have a little bit more slime here. We already had this slime. This is the party slime. Yeah, this is the party slime. We already had that one, but it's the same kind. So now we have this slime. I think we're going to have to activate it a little bit. No, it's fine. And I actually don't really like it because it's also an ugly color, ugly red, brownish, and it has glitter in it, but it's actually a good slime. There, put that in. Some slimes don't look nice, but then they are better than other slimes, like this one. It's Orbeez slime, and it's kind of like watery. See? I think this is going to be, oh, ew. This is an ugly slime, yeah. This is not a good slime. It's Orbeez slime, and it's going to mess this all up. It's going to make it not nice because it has Orbeez in it. The Orbeez make it watery, and no, this is going to mess it up. Yeah, look, this is how it already makes it, and no, it's going to mess it up for sure, 100%. It's going to mess it up because Orbeez, I don't like really Orbeez and slime, so I experimented with that. A friend gave me it because she didn't want it anymore, and so because it was very liquidy slime, so I tried to repair it. This is another slime, and this is very liquid. Oh, and purple, I think it will ruin it because purple, no, it's very dark color, but it also has sparkles. I don't think you can see that in the camera, but yeah, drop it in. This is how it really looks. And yeah, then we also have this little slime. I made it, but the container is from putty slime. And this is how it looks. It also rips kind of, and it's purplish green with sparkles. Put some in and the rest back. Now, next color. Oh no, this is bright. Oh, this is bad. This is bright. No. Look, this is how it all is. That's all how it is. What is even inside of here? Oh, now I remember. This is the rubber slime. It's supposed to erase something that I draw with a pencil. Let's write something on it and then try to erase it. I wrote slime. The M is a little bit bad. Yeah. Now try to erase it. And it's actually kind of working. Not really. And comment down below if something changed. This is the after. It kind of did it, but not really. It's still there, so I don't think so it works. I think it's so, yeah. And now let's put some in. Or no, this is not really a slime. This is, yeah, it is slime, so I will put some in. Yeah, there. Right there. So now there. Then we have a smelly slime. It smells too. It smells nice. Strawberry and pink with little bit sparkles of glitter. Let's put some in. This is how the slime looks now. We have 4 more slimes. There. This is a bright yellow one. I hope this will make it better. This is how it looks. I'll put some lot of it in. I want it that it makes more brighter, not very gross like that slime. We have this nice red one, and there. This is not stretchy. This is more rippy. See, it's ripping more, and no, this is not very good consistency, but still slime. It's not. It's kind of like I don't know. That it's not very good consistency of slime. We have this one. This one is a little bit liquid. I'm scared of this one. Oh, this one is actually a good slime. It's kind of like the yellow one, the very yellow one, not this one. The light yellow one that's on the bottom here. See this one? Only like the ghost one here, see? It's actually kind of like pink. I don't think so you can see that in the camera. And it's stretchy, yeah. This one is actually a good slime. And I hope it will make it better, the slime. So, and now we have, I think, yeah, the last slime. This is a mint color, a mint green color. And a good consistency. Let's stretch it. Yeah, this is a good slime. Just add a little powder. Yeah, that will make it. There. That's a good slime now. See? Yeah, this is a good slime. Let's put it in. This is how it looks. And let's mix it. That's the final thing to do. And then let's look what it turns out to be a color. It's actually like this. See, it looks very pretty, I think. With all these different kinds of slimes, it's kind of like, this is how it looks. It's so pretty. Wow, this is actually, so there, I just took a quick photo and it's mixing very well, but this is how it's turning out. Kind of like a greenish gray color. At first it was so pretty, yeah, but now it's very pretty. It's kind of an ugly gray color, mixture of nice colors, but then turns out to this thing. Yeah, I know. And it also has, this is how it kind of looks if you stretch it. Now let's do the test, the click test. Yeah, I think it's very good. Let's try to do a bubble. No, I'm not very good at bubbles either. No bubble, but still very stretchy. Not very stretchy. I think if I would, yeah, I know, it will break. So, if you like this video and if you also watched my other videos that I haven't made slimes, but if you really want to see more slime videos, like make my own slime, how I make it, then comment down below and show it to me by giving me a thumbs up and subscribing my channel and watching my other videos. that I have made. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, the only thing you need to know that please never forget to give me a thumbs up of my videos, and also to click the subscribe button, and don't click the one that I put in the videos, because I think that's what some people do. So I would not do that, because if you do that, you don't really subscribe. So please go to my channel to subscribe, not my the one in the video, because it will not work. So then go to my channel, click my picture to get to my channel, and then you will also see the other videos that I have made. And I also will upload, like I think I already uploaded, maybe. If this video will be in YouTube, then you will also see the other Playmobil video. And if you really like that Playmobil video, please give that a thumbs up, and I will make more videos. So yeah, and this is how the slime looks. And now, bye, see you next time. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye, see you next time when we say crafts and challenges.